If you want to start a PP woven bag factory, what equipment do you need? Actually, there are two different production models. The first option is to produce and sell woven fabric rolls only. In this case, the main production line only requires two types of equipment. 1. PP flat yarn extrusion line. It converts plastic raw materials into PP flat yarn. 2. Circular loom. It weaves the PP flat yarn into tubular woven fabric. The finished fabric rolls can then be sold directly to local bag-making factories without the need for downstream bag converting processes. In this model, the profit main lie comes from selling woven fabric rolls. The second option is to produce and sell finished bags directly based on the PP flat yarn extrusion line and circular loom. An additional automatic cutting and sewing machine is required after the tubular fabric is produced. The cutting and sewing machine automatically cuts the fabric, folds and sews the bottom to complete the bag production process. This way, the complete PP woven bag is produced directly